Hey.
Hey.
What's all this? I didn't speak to anyone. I signed nothing. I'm not getting paid. I didn't talk to a network. What's going on?
Do my own thing, man.
This feels oddly familiar.
No.
This feels like we should...
I'm your network.
Look at you.
Taking things into our own hands. There's no Big Brother anymore. You're looking at Big Brother.
Just us? We can do what we
Do
want?
whatever you want. No, can't swear.
Okay. All right.
Can't swear.
Okay.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna cook. We're gonna teach people cooking skills, cooking hacks.
Do you think we're the most qualified people
Not
for
at
that?
all.
Okay. Okay.
But this is us.
All right.
Tidbits.
Well, I'm gonna go back to doing what I was about to
All
do.
I'm gonna keep make believe cleaning.
Yeah. Good to see you guys.
See you later. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm very excited today because I'm going to teach you all something very basic that I believe everyone should have in their kitchen, their refrigerator, or their freezer at all times. It is a basic marinara sauce. Very easy to make, very healthy for you. Does not take a lot of time or skill. Why I like this is because it has so many uses for, I know a lot of us are busy moms. You're running around taking your kids everywhere, working moms, or sometimes you just don't feel like cooking a whole lot. What's great about this is you could turn this sauce into a million different things. And over time, I'm going to be reaching into my refrigerator or my freezer, taking this basic sauce and turning it into something completely different. Oh, it's the door. Are we doing this again, guys? Some things never change. I guess somebody's got to go answer the door.
I didn't know we were doing that.
Go. Somebody's going to be at the door. I wonder who it is. Let's go see. Hey, pal.
Hey.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Long time no see.
What do we cook? Oh, good. The crew left all their
Yeah,
here.
that's good.
Good. Hey, puppy.
Let's go. Let's do some cooking.
Yeah, we're still doing the intros
Yeah, we're
like
still
that.
doing it, yeah.
Okay.
All right, today we're doing a very basic marinara sauce, but it's got a lot of bang to it, and you're going to use this over and over and over again.
I'm afraid that the nice people at home are going to think that this is, an Easter or Christmas, I'll use the...
Oh, no, this is
No,
Tuesday,
you do it
Thursday.
all the
This is all the time.
You just do
All
it for
the time.
anything.
Anyway, 1 28-ounce can of whole tomatoes, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, a 1/2 cup of red wine, 7 to 9 cloves of garlic, chopped, salt, pepper, and fresh basil. I like fresh basil because it just...
It's my favorite smell in the world.
I could bathe in this. I could just...
Shouldn't.
I know, but I'll smell what's
You tell me that you grew this basil?
It is from my garden.
It's a pot on the deck that we call the garden.
It's an herb garden. Doesn't matter. A garden is a garden.
You're right.
Anyway, so we're going to start.
Okay.
You are going to get in with your hands and break these apart. Again, I'm one of 11 kids, and we had like 10 to 15 cans of tomatoes, and we used to literally crush them with our hands. Why do you like that? Because it makes it nice chunky. It makes a nice chunky sauce with a lot of depth to it. In the meantime, we've got our garlic sliced and ready to roll. We're going to pour the olive oil in first. Side note, my favorite brands of olive oil are from where?
I don't know if we're going to agree on this.
Sure we are.
Okay, I like Napa, like California olive oil, and I like Greek olive oil.
And Spain.
There's
Yes.
a big racket with the Italians and olive oil.
Why
All
would you
kinds
say
of art.
something like that?
Why wouldn't I say something like
Because
that?
we
I'm trying
need
to help the people.
sponsors. What if we get a sponsor?
Well, you know who actually doesn't do that is
Bertolli, Cento,
they do a really good job.
Botticelli.
Like it's really Italy on a plate.
And we're here for you.
Love them.
Ready? Okay. Because this is going to be a quick cook, it's only going to be about 20 minutes we want this to cook. You want to use a skillet, a shallow thing, rather than a pot, like a deep pot. Because you have more surface and more surface area that the tomato covers, the faster it cooks. All right, Chris, we need some olive oil. We're going to pour the olive oil in first, low to medium heat. We're going to let that heat for a minute, and then we're going to throw our garlic in. Now, if you're Italian, this is a weapon. You get yourself a good wooden spoon. All right, put the garlic in. Got that little sizzle going on. Let it get translucent, not brown. Brown garlic kind of has a very bitter taste to it. Add in your tomatoes. Oh, isn't that the best sound?
And now you're not like boiling pasta, you're just making sauce to have
I'm
it.
just making sauce to have. We're going to add a little bit of red pepper flakes and then a little kosher salt. This is why I love this sauce. This can be turned into a chicken cacciatore sauce. This can be pizza sauce tomorrow.
Yep, there's a little oregano.
We're just going to add some different spices to it.
Doctor it up. Change it
Doctor
around.
up. Change it around. Make it your own.
Put some cream in there, some vodka. Bam,
Peas, boom.
vodka sauce.
Vodka sauce. Add a little wine. It could be wine that you had the other night. Actually, it's better, right, Chris?
Red wine's only good for 2 or 3 days once it's open, so we'll still leave it in the refrigerator because you could use it, just not good for drinking.
Right. Anyway, the basil, I don't chop it up. because it's just something so pretty. It's gonna wilt a little bit and it's gonna be a really bang pop of flavor. So this is basically gonna cook for about 20 minutes. And that's it, guys. It's pretty much done. Okay, guys, here's our finished sauce. The recipe is in the comments. This is gonna go in the refrigerator. It's gonna be a million different ways to use this, and I'm gonna show it in future videos. Thank you so much. I'm so excited, and I hope you like this first episode.
We're not gonna eat?
No.
We just cooked, we're a cooking show where we don't eat?
You think I'm gonna clean up mess cooking?
What kind of show?
You don't even live here. Go out to lunch.
Okay.
Bye. They want everything.